And if you like to, if you are really color blue, okay, color blue, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, color blue is majority. Okay, so now, about, para matapos to, gusto ko pong malaman sa inyo kung magkano yung cost ng kulay ng ating, babayaran ng ating Class B uniform. So, meron po tayong tag 500 at meron po tag 600. So, saan po ba kayo doon? 500 o 600? So, petition ulit para matapos na tayo. Sino agree sa 500? Okay, majority also. So, now, ano po natin is color blue, Class B uniform, and yung tag 500. Okay, we will proceed for our next agenda. It's very clear, and I